Hi, I'm going to show you how to replace a screen on a Lenovo ThinkPad Edge 13.3-inch screen. The first thing you need to do is remove the battery for safety. Just unlock and remove. Next, open the ThinkPad and notice in each corner there is a rubber square. You're going to remove each of the 4 rubber squares with a knife or something like that. Okay, now that you've removed the squares, you've exposed 4 screws in each of those places. So take a screwdriver and unscrew those screws. With those screws gone, you can now remove the actual cover to the screen here. Just pops out. Like so. Next, there are 4 screws that hold the actual screen onto the machine. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those are the same size as the previous screws, and you just remove them with the screwdriver. Okay, now the screen itself will remove. There's a piece of tape holding the screen plug in. Carefully remove that piece of tape and unplug the old screen. Now you carefully take the new screen out of the bag and you will plug it in and reapply that tape. At this point, it's worth testing, so you can re-put in the battery and turn the machine on to make sure the screen is properly attached. Okay. You can see Windows is starting on the new screen, and it all works. So now we'll just turn the machine off. And carefully put it back together. The first step is to re-screw in the 4 screws around the screen itself. Now you put the cover back on. And now you just screw back in the screws that hold the cover on after you snapped it in place. After you have all the screws back in, you re-stick the rubber squares, which, as I said before, just stick on, so, like so. At this point, plug the battery back in, lock it, and give it a try. There you are. Everything looks great. So that screen comes up because it detects the new hardware. The screen looks super. So hope that was helpful, and take care.